This is the most unique curved PC build. We are using the Asus ROG Maximus C790 Dark Hero motherboard and installing the best overall chip, the Intel i9-14900K Special Edition. It sets a record for 6 GHz peak turbo clock. Now that we've installed the CPU, we are moving on to install 2 G-Skill Trident Z5 Royal DDR5 RAM. Now it's time for the case. We are using the Sama 2851A that can hold up to 9 fans. To make sure that this PC shouldn't get overheated, we are using Paranoma 360 RGB liquid cooler. It has a curved digital display. Now that our cabinet is fully loaded, I am unboxing the best graphics card, the ROG Strix 4080 Super OC Edition. It is the best graphics card for gaming and editing.